Hey, welcome to Crazy Turtle's Kitchen. And today I'd like to share with you another recipe to make use of black beans. I have a video out there that shows you how to make a big batch of black beans from dried beans. It's a lot more cost effective. You make so much, and they're just delicious, nutritious, all that good stuff. My family loves them. I love them. So today we're gonna make some black bean burgers, and right here I have 2 cups of black beans, and I'm just gonna mash those right now. This is a nice alternative to making other than the convenience ones in the freezer, and I think they taste better. A lot cheaper. Yeah, there's a little bit more effort, but sometimes there's just so much more satisfaction in making things yourself. So I'll check back with you once I get all these mashed. It should be just a couple minutes, and then we'll get to start making our bean burgers. So I've spent a little time mashing my burgers. You do want to get most of the beans mashed up. Simply, I have done this before and not mashed up all of them, and they kind of fell apart when I baked them. So this nice pasty bean mixture is where we want to start. Again, you could use drained canned beans, but again, my whole point is just to do some cost saving measures. So and it just makes a lot so that I can have a lot of different fun dishes, bean dishes throughout the week. So here I have finely chopped, diced bell pepper, whatever color I had red on hand. Again, I like a lot of my recipes. I try and use some similar ingredients because it gives me a lot of flexibility during the week. And again, I just look at being frugal, but eating healthy in the kitchen. And this is kind of one of my ways of doing that. Onion, and then 3 cloves of garlic that are also diced. Just kind of get this flavor in here. So doesn't that look yummy now? So we're going to add a little bit of spice. And I'm also in the efforts of cost saving. I have my flax and water egg substitute. So this recipe actually ends up being vegan and vegetarian because of this. But this combination of a tablespoon of ground flax meal and 3 tablespoons of water to sit in the fridge for a little bit kind of gives you that same consistency of that binding that you need for an egg. I have a little garlic chili sauce. You could use sriracha, whatever spice you have on hand. And I have cumin and coriander here. So I'm going to put this all together. And this will give us our, yum, yum spice. And that egg will help bind all of this together. And then I will add my breadcrumbs. You could also put the spice in the breadcrumbs, I suppose, as well. This kind of is a little bit more spicy, I guess, Southwestern, but if you wanted to put some different flavor profiles, I highly encourage you to experiment because that's what I do in the kitchen a lot. That's why I'm sharing you some of this fun stuff that I've come up with. This will help give us some form. So right now my oven is preheating, and what I need to do is shape these into patties. Now, if you use a can of black beans, you can get 4 patties, and that might be a meal for you or 2. But when I use the dried beans, I tend to get about 6. So I am just going to divide this into 6 for my just try and make them, even. And kind of getting your hands in there helps. It's just like making a burger from ground beef or turkey or whatever. Oh, this is going to be good. So I will get these all settled out. Meet you back here after they've baked, and I'll show you the final product. So these black bean burgers were at a 375-degree oven at 10 minutes. I flipped them, so for a total of 20 minutes, and they are done, and they smell fantastic. Now it's up to you how you want to serve. If you want to put it on a bun, I also like to do just burgers without. Serve with a variety of vegetables. You could melt cheese on the last minute if you wanted. So lots of really great options. These also heat up really well for work the next day, so I like taking them to lunch. So thanks so much for coming in to Crazy Turtle's Kitchen, letting me share another one of my ideas with you. I hope it can bring you healthiness, happiness, all that good stuff. Hope to see you again soon. Take care. Ba, 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 da, ba.